Inspired by the B-2 stealth bomber military aircraft, the B-2 Bomber Nanoblade is the last everyday pocket knife you will ever need to carry. The mini tactical B-2 Bomber Nanoblade is designed with precision and detail that allows it to be extremely robust and versatile in every survival situation. The B-2 Bomber Nanoblade is both locking and folding. Safety was one of the main concerns when it comes to a knife of this size. We wanted the design to be suitable for beginners as well as intermediate knife experts. The lock is a lever rather than a push-button lock. You can actually use the spine to scrap splint without the worry of it coming around when the blade is locked. The world's smallest toolkit can turn your backpack, keychain, anything it can attach to into a mobile EDC kit. Grimm Workshop's everyday carry zipper tool system was designed to turn any bag, backpack, or any other item they can be attached to into a wearable, mobile toolkit for almost any situation. All of Grimm Workshop's metal tools are made from surgical-grade stainless steel and are under 1 mm thick. Magic Cable is the next generation multi-charging cable for trendy USB-C laptop and Apple devices. It ingeniously utilizes your stock USB-C laptop charger and can power up to 3 devices with varied connectors. With the stock USB-C laptop charger, Magic Cable provides the ability to quick charge a laptop or a tablet, MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, a smartphone, iPhone, and a mobile device, AirPods, Apple Watch Asterisk, all at the same time. When Magic Cable powers multiple devices, it provides up to 80W power for MacBook Pro 16-inch and 15W power left for the remaining 2 devices, with free stock Apple 96W power adapter. Magic Cable is designed to make full use of your existing USB-C power adapter as well as to produce less cables for environmental friendliness. So you don't need to buy extra USB-C power adapter and extra cable for new iPhone or new Android smartphone. Meet X0 Night. It is a bright, compact, unique, and durable EDC flashlight for diverse lighting needs. It helps you navigate the dark and be more aware of your surroundings, which means you'll never be caught in the dark again. It is the most powerful micro flashlight you can find on the market. Delivers up to 1,100 lumens of light in its minimal form. X0 Night is comparable to a tactical flashlight. It allows you to confidently make your way through the dark. Storm Superscript 2 provides a whole new charging experience unlike any other power bank. Its cyberpunk-style transparent case marks a new era of design. The sci-fi display screen with adjustable output voltage provides users total freedom and charging control. Equipped with 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and 1 DC output ports, Storm Superscript 2 can charge up all your devices and gadgets safely and reliably. Storm Superscript 2 houses a 25,600 mAh high-density battery that can be recharged in just 1.5 hours, and it supports various charging protocols, QC/PD/PPS, etc., such as electric camp coolers, drones, camp lights, and more, for the ultimate power solution anywhere you go. The on-display Energy Storage Management OS trademark visualizes the input/output power, battery pack voltage/current, battery/PCB temp, charge-discharge cycles, and DC voltage adjustment, etc., in a clear, concise, and intuitive way, giving you unparalleled control and access to all the information you need. Meet Pugdy's tactical portable EDC tool, a personal safety tool that enables the user to lock the door mechanically from inside and offers 10 plus EDC tools. The EDC has been designed to offer safety for adults and children who are indoors. The metal bit stopper is made of hardened carbon steel, which makes it practically impossible to break. It ensures that the door remains locked and the person inside is safe and protected from unauthorized entry, even with a key. The entire EDC is laser cut with a precision of 0.1 mm or less. All-in-one ergonomic door safety lock, pocket-friendly, and a lightweight tool. The EDC is suitable for almost any door thickness or wall thickness. The user can do away with the plug-in magnets, depending on the door/wall thickness.